Now let's head to crypto with Laddie Williams, and I know Laddie will be really interested in that South Africa looking the way of crypto traders now to get more taxes.
Because I'm trying to understand how taxing crypto really work at this time. You know, like a country like Nigeria now, we know most of the investors are getting crypto through P2P, exchanges and all of that. So I'm wondering, are you going to be taxed when you buy or taxed when you make profit, from, trading that crypto?
So I guess at the end of the day, the bigger picture is that there has to be regulation.
Right.
If there's regulation, then the authorities can monitor or reach, some of these avenues through which taxes can be gotten.
Maybe through the cryptocurrency exchanges,
exactly,
at this point. But most of them have run away at this time, so I wonder how that's definitely going to happen. But let's look at the market. I know some investors here don't want to hear about taxes right now for the crypto market, because the crypto market is red right now. It's seeing profit-taking, big profit-taking. Let's look at the sentiments there. It's neutral at this point. Almost, it looks like it's tending to fear at this point in the crypto market. Let's look at the cryptocurrencies we track now. We see the likes of Bitcoin there, giving up, moving further away from that $70,000 level, 0.68% down. We've seen Ethereum also losing out there, $3,425, down 2.67%. But the biggest move down is Cardano, ADA, 37 cents, losing the 40-cent level, down 7.22% at this time. So to some top stories now, we see Hamster, Kombat, they've hit about 150 million users at this time. We know one of these tap-to-earn projects where you see people tapping their phones constantly, trying to make some money. So we're seeing a lot of users on the Hamster Kombat there. Big move there, 150 million users. Fun fact, that's more than the likes of WhatsApp grew in such a short time. Then we also see Tether Holdings. They're creating a synthetic dollar at this point. That's the biggest stable coin in the market at this point, Tether Holdings. They're working on the synthetic dollar, and it's definitely going to work just like the USDT, but I think it's going to be called AUSDT or something. But this one is backed by gold. So yeah, I guess we're going back to the gold standard at this point. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide, great to have you.
Yes, thanks for having me, Laddie. It's a great day. Yeah.
I'm sure you see the blood on the street at this point. It's all red, and we see Bitcoin moving further away from the $70,000 level. But it seems the altcoins are getting hammered even more.
It's getting worse. Laddie, if you look at the cascade of losses, a lot of records been set. Liquidation on Dogecoin alone, about 16 million worth of long positions were liquidated, the worst we've seen in 2021. Also, you look at the losses throughout the day, it's going to $500 million. And, just like we retreated, there was slight pullback from the 70,000 support to the 65. But, a 5% drop shouldn't have led to double digits in the other space. So the guesswork is that because the US Fed has retreated, staying hawkish, it means the appetite for risk have moderated. So we're seeing liquidity draw down. And that's why meme coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have lost more than a tenth of their value in less than 24 hours. And it seems like it's not getting abated, because if you look at the recent price action, Bitcoin is flirting around the 65,000 support. A break towards that level might take us back to 63.5 to 60. And definitely what we see in the altcoin space might trigger more sell-offs. So, Paddy, it's pretty much a blood on the street.
Right, but I'm sure this was, expected, at this time, knowing fully well that we've seen the rate cut, by the U.S. Fed being pushed further away, into 2024. But is it time to just run into stable coins, or it's too late for that?
The irony about it is that, the market anticipated that the king of altcoins, Ethereum, will create support. You recall that Ethereum's spot ETF is about to come in play next month. So investors were anticipating that institutional investors would take position, and the fact that Ethereum could drag below the 3,005 tells you that it seems caution should be in play here, and the market seems to be oscillating towards that level. But I think definitely a bottom would definitely figure in. But in this space, it's very difficult to give the exact point. But I feel that once there's clarity around Ethereum spot ETF, the altcoin will get in that support. But right as we speak, it's been a miserable day for altcoin buyers.
Yeah, definitely a miserable day for them because we see altcoins down double digits at this time. But what are you seeing going into the weekend? And let's say the month of June, should we just say the month of June might just be negative for the crypto market?
I think it's safe to say that in the altcoin space, the month of June is already negative. But, the elephant in the room is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been able to hold the support 65. It broke below that 2 times, but it bounced almost immediately. So we'll wait to see the numbers. Economic data this week, despite the fact that we're not expecting heavyweight, will give us a direction. And also, we're going to look at how investors take those sentiments going forward. But, looking at the equity market space, you could see that crypto companies are pretty much doing well. If you look at Coinbase, MicroStrategy, and Bitcoin miners, they've been able to still pull in positive gain and rally with the S&P. But that can't be said in the digital space.
All right, thank you so much, Olumide Adesina. Always great having your perspective.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Ladi.
All right, Ini, so there you have it. I guess Bitcoin is not giving any RAM gifts, at this point.
Oh, I forgot you're still looking for your RAM.
I'm still looking for my RAM.
Ladi, I think you have to wait till next year because holidays are over in a couple of hours.
Right.
And so...
and hopefully RAMs are cheaper then, maybe.
That's leftover, though.
Leftover. Right, we'll see.